Hi, welcome to Undoubtme. In this video, we are going to discuss propagating uncertainties. Now, this is like one of the most haunting topic of physics. Like it is there in the beginning of higher level physics, which comes for AS level, IB, then it even comes at IITJEE level, and all the places, all the curriculum where you are learning physics at higher level. So, propagating uncertainty. Before watching this video, you have to be assured that you are clear with the basics of uncertainty. Then only watch this video, otherwise please clear your basics first. So what is the meaning of propagating uncertainty? So propagating means when we have to deal with two different quantities having uncertainty, then there can be four options. Either it will be addition, it will be subtraction, it will be multiplication, or it can be division of those quantities. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about all of them with the help of some example, and possibly after those examples you will be fine with this topic. So first we are going to discuss uncertainty in adding and subtracting data. So the bottom line for that is that you have to add together the absolute uncertainties. Now what is the meaning of that? So we'll understand that with the help of one example. Let's say I have one quantity A which is equal to A plus minus delta A. Another quantity is B which is equal to B plus minus delta B. Okay, I want to find the uncertainty in A plus B. Then first thing is that A plus B will be equal to, let's say, another quantity C. So I have to basically work on C is equal to C plus minus delta C. Okay, where this C, the small c, will be equal to A plus B, and delta C, which is the uncertainty, the absolute uncertainty in addition, that will be equal to plus minus delta A plus delta B. So this is how we deal with uncertainty in addition and subtraction. So I hope that the value of delta C is equal to plus minus delta A plus delta B is clear, and now it is time to move towards the uncertainty in subtraction. Let's say if I have a quantity A minus B, then I will do the same thing. I will write A minus B as C, and then C will be equal to C plus minus delta C. Okay, the procedure is same. You have to just follow the same process for addition and subtraction. The value of C will be A minus B, while the value of delta C will be same as the value which we have seen for addition. Okay, so this is how we have to deal with the questions based on adding and subtracting the data. Now let us move on to multiplying and dividing the data. So for that, the concept is that we can add the percentage of fractional uncertainties of those data. Okay, what is the meaning of that? Let us understand with the help of an example. So let's say if I have a quantity A which is A plus minus delta A, another quantity B which is equal to B plus minus delta B, and I want to find C which is A times B. Okay, I'll do the same thing what I did for addition and subtraction. So this C will be equal to C plus minus delta C. Okay, I hope you understand, like the C which is written on the left hand side is capital C and the other one is small c. Okay, so the value of small c will be obtained by doing the product of A and B, like the actual values of them, while to get the value of delta C we write like this. So it will be delta C over C is equal to plus minus delta A over A plus delta B over B. This concept is applied exactly for multiplication and division both. Okay, now let us just discuss that what is this C So this C value we have obtained already above by multiplying A and B, while the delta C is something for which we are looking for right now. Okay, so once we are done with C and delta C both, I can get my final answer that will be of the form A plus minus delta A, which is C plus minus delta C. So I hope that this thing, like propagating uncertainty of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, is clear to everyone. Just there's a small difference in division. Instead of C is equal to A times B, it will become C is equal to A by B if it is a case of A divided by B. Okay, so just try to relate that with the same way with which we have done over here, and you can very easily solve questions based on them. There is one more additional bonus topic over here, which is uncertainty in power. Let us discuss that now. So when I talk about uncertainty in power, it means that if I have a quantity of the type, let's say C is equal to A square B. Okay, so once again I have to find the value of C, like uncertainty in C. So what I will be doing, I will be writing this C as C plus minus delta C. A and B have the same initial values which we have seen in the previous examples. So if you want to see, you can just go back to that part of the video and check again. Okay, so the value of small c will be A square B, while the value of delta C in case of power will be written as delta C by C is equal to plus minus. It is almost the same method what we have used for multiplication and division, but since it is power, so that respective power in come in front. So it was A squared, so it will be written as 2 times of delta A by A plus delta B by B. If there would have been some power for B, we would have written the same power in front of B. If there will be a fractional power, like if there is some square root, cube root, anything like that, we can write the same power in front. Okay, so just try to understand the concept. Concept is same whether it is power or division or multiplication. In case of power, we can get questions like this also. Let's say I have A cube B over some, let's say, P square. So if I have these three quantities, then automatically I will write all of their powers when I am dealing with delta C value. Okay, so try doing some more examples based on this concept. You can watch this video multiple number of times to get clear with the concept. Concept is this only, but questions may vary and there will be different variations in the question which you should be able to solve using all of the things which you have learned in this video. So I hope that this video is useful for you. If you feel anything like what you want to see in the next video or what can be better than this, whatever your views are, please make sure that you comment below on this video, and I will try to make more videos on the same type in the upcoming time. Thank you.